Okay, cold cranking. Oh, Boss Mark. Cold cranking tayo. Okay, 31. Okay, tambutso. Okay, 31 din. 31.4. Okay. Test tayo dito. 32.4. Malamig talaga siya. Okay. So, sakto. Yan. ECU shop. Ito yung Max 1. 32mm throttle body. Okay. Cold cranking. Okay. Halos empty. Easy start. Okay. See? Mainit na. There you go. Okay. Yo! Woo! Nice one. Easy start. Perfect.